Today I want to demonstrate something. You can see the cap I am wearing. On top of that cap there is a shower cap that I am wearing. Let me tell you the reason for it. I'll remove this now. Today while I was walking, that there was rain begin to descend, and at distance I saw the rain was coming, because I walked here for a long time. When the rainy clouds are seen, I can see that the rain is coming, and as the drizzle begin to start and it become a bit heavier and heavier, I see so many people running for shelter. But the simple thing I did was, from my pocket I carry this shower cap and put it over my cap, and that's it. And then I was able to complete this drizzle. The heavy drizzle lasted about 5-6 minutes and it ceased. Whereas everybody has gone back, I am the only man that was walking. Umbrellas won't work in the beach because of the wind. You cannot carry raincoats in a backpack because you want to have light as possible when you are walking. Ladies and gentlemen, I always work on 3 principles. What is desirable? What is desirable is for me to continue my walk uninterrupted by anything, whether it's rain or sun or anything. That's what is desirable. What is possible? Based on what you have. I looked at what is possible. I need to really look at what is possible for me to walk. And what is practical? The practical is umbrellas, the raincoats, not practical. A simple thing like shower cap will cover your head in a challenging situation like that. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, the tools that you require need not to be very sophisticated. It has to be very simple and effective and practical. We will face many challenges in this world, the time to time. And all those challenges, you don't need the sophisticated tools and weapons and engagements. What is needed is properly assess what you desirable. You desire to continue to carry on with your work, whether it's studying, whether it's walking, whether it's writing, whether it's singing or whatever. For me, this morning walk in the beach, what I was desiring? What was desiring was challenged by the raindrops and the drizzle. And then I looked at what is possible. What is possible is for me to take my shower cap and put it over my cap and continue my walk. Ladies and gentlemen, look at what is desirable and don't stop what is desirable for you. And then if that is get interrupted by some means, see what is possible. There are many things are possible. And what is possible using the practical tools. In this case, a simple basic shower cap helped me to continue my walk uninterruptedly. Look at what you have to continue exploring what is desirable for you. Using what is possible and what is practical, then you can enrich yourself and even many others in your endeavors.